Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you've been searching for the ultimate styling tool to help you achieve salon-quality results at home, you've just landed in the right spot. Today, we're diving into the Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold Marcel Iron, a professional-grade tool designed for smooth, shiny styles. Now, before we get started, let's talk about this tool's real-world performance. As we know, it's a game changer for many, but only if you know how to use it correctly. This Marcel iron is not your typical home use straightener. Unlike traditional irons, it doesn't have a spring, which means you'll need to manually control the tension while styling. This makes it a bit trickier for beginners or those unfamiliar with professional-grade tools. But for anyone with experience, it provides more control and versatility for creating that flawless, polished look. Product overview. The Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold Marcel Iron is designed with a sleek black gold styling surface that promises to leave your hair smooth and shiny, even at high temperatures. It heats up to 455 degrees, making it suitable for all hair types, from fine to thick and coarse. One of the standout features is the pulse technology, which provides consistent heat for even styling results. The 9-foot swivel cord makes maneuvering easier, and the fold-away safety stand ensures safe storage when you're done. Plus, the universal dual voltage means you can take it with you on your travels, ensuring you'll always look your best, no matter where you are. Real-world testing and usage experience. Now, how did this iron perform in real-world use? Honestly, it's a game changer if you've got the technique. The heat-up time is impressively fast, about 30 seconds, and I love how the temperature dial gives you full control over how much heat you need. That's great for customizing your styling, whether you're straightening your hair for a sleek look or curling it for some added volume. One thing to keep in mind, though, is the manual control of tension. If you're used to traditional irons with a spring, this might take a little getting used to. But once you've got the hang of it, you'll notice that it gives you more precision in styling. I personally found the soft touch finish on the handle to be really comfortable, even after extended use. When it comes to styling, the black gold surface really delivers. Your hair will feel smooth and shiny without that fried look some high-heat styling tools leave behind. I used it on both straight and curly hair, and it was efficient in both situations. The curls held up beautifully, and straightened hair stayed sleek for hours. Pros and cons. Let's break it down with the good and the not so good. Pros: smooth, shiny results. Thanks to the black gold surface, your hair looks glossy and healthy, even after using high heat. Customizable heat settings, up to 455 degrees, so you can tailor it for different hair types. Professional-grade performance. The control you get with the manual tension is a huge plus for those with experience. Swivel cord. Maneuverability is a dream, especially when working with a larger section of hair. Travel-friendly. The universal voltage and fold-away safety stand make it easy to take on the go. Cons? Difficult for beginners. If you're not used to a Marcel iron, the lack of spring can be a little tricky to manage at first. Not as quick for every hair type. While great for thick or textured hair, those with finer hair may find the heat level excessive or unnecessary. Value for money. At its price point, this iron is definitely a premium product. It's aimed at those who want professional quality styling at home. If you're a seasoned stylist or you're used to working with advanced tools, the investment is definitely justified, especially considering the quality of materials and performance. For beginners, however, the learning curve might make it feel a bit steep. Still, if you're someone who needs an iron that will stand up to regular use and deliver consistent results, this could be worth the splurge. Comparisons. In terms of performance, you're looking at a high-quality, professional tool that compares well to other high-end brands. If you're after something that's easier to handle for everyday use, there are options out there that come with spring-loaded grips, but they won't give you the same level of precision as the Hot Tools Marcel iron. For those seeking premium, long-lasting results, this iron definitely stands out. Build quality and longevity. The black gold surface is tough, heat-resistant, and built to last. I've used it extensively without noticing any decline in performance or efficiency. Given its solid construction, this tool should last for years, even with frequent use. It feels like a professional grade product, and that's because it is. Customer support. Hot Tools has been a trusted brand in the professional styling world since 1990. Their reputation for delivering quality tools means you can expect decent customer service should you ever need it. While I haven't personally had to contact them for issues, they're generally responsive, and the brand's long-standing reputation speaks for itself. Final verdict. The Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold Marcel Iron is an excellent choice for experienced users who want precision and long-lasting styling results. The sleek, shiny finish it delivers, combined with the customizable heat settings, makes it perfect for all hair types. However, if you're new to this kind of styling tool, the lack of spring tension may be a bit challenging to master. If you've got the skill, though, this iron will be your best friend for creating flawless, shiny styles. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. End of video engagement. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you're interested in purchasing the Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold Marcel Iron, you can find the link in the description box below. And if you've used this product or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.